welcome. Now to our new course, which is digital lifestyle. So we'll go through it and we'll understand what is there in it. There is like we'll go through six well-known digital lifestyles, multiple streams of income, blueprint, and then we'll have what is affiliate marketing. Step three, we'll learn about uh, pros and cons of digital lifestyle, rules of success, conversion blueprint. We'll learn right methodology, and we'll learn also skill sets to master, top marketplaces, essential tools to use, and five levels of becoming a super affiliate. And we'll also learn about uh, next steps. We'll learn what are the next steps. So let us go through first principle, first chapter, like six well-known digital lifestyles are like influencers are there, networkers are there, like they use it, communicators, aspire, knowledge seekers, knowledge givers, okay, coaches, digital teachers. So this is super topic, hot topic. So how to make super wealth with digital lifestyle, let's go through this. Find your niche. Go through niche simplicity, uh, like blueprint, and understand like what is your niche. Define it, define your goal, define your scope, go deep into the market niche so that you can be different and nobody can touch you. Design your own products, then sell affiliate. Okay, first you need to design your own products, then sell the affiliates. Okay, start a blog, YouTube channel, get traffic before sales, sign up for affiliate programs. Okay, learn how the affiliate program works, add affiliate links to your content, leverage coupon codes, master SEO, create the perfect pitch, get involved in Facebook groups, um, bookmark affiliate stats in your browser, set up email alerts when a sale is made, build your community, avoid Google penalties, monitor conversion rates, use an affiliate disclaimer, donate to charity, share your success story. Okay, these are the principles, like how to generate super wealth through digital lifestyle. Let us go to the multiple streams of income blueprint. So what it is: own products, have own products, gain authority, affiliate marketing, recurring cash flow. It is a recurring cash flow. Create recurring cash flow, one-to-one coaching, profit and impact. Okay, so in next video we'll go to what is affiliate marketing and how it works. We'll go accordingly to other chapters, steps, and let's understand. Thank you so much. Write down in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to implement this knowledge. Thank you so much.